पर्यावरणाचो समतोल सांबाळपी बेब्यांचेर हावळ आयल्या। गोयच्या दर्यादेग वाठारांतल्या हॉटेलांनी पावसाच्या दिसांनी बेब्याचे मांस जंपिंग चिकन म्हणून विकतात। कायद्यान बेब्यांची तस्करी करपाक मनाय आसा, पूण कायद्याक फाट्यार मारून मोठ्या प्रमाणात बेब्यांची तस्करी जाता।
जंपिंग चिकन म्हणटा तो प्रकार फकत गोंयानूच पळोवपाक मेळटा। खास करून दक्षिण गोंयच्या हॉटेलांनी जंपिंग चिकन म्हणून बेब्यांचे फाटले पाय पर्यटकांक फ्राय करून खावपाक दितात। पूण जंपिंग चिकनाक लागून बेब्यांचेर हावळ आयल्या।
Frogs are a very important part of our ecological life. See, if you see in the past, frogs have been there very much part of Goan life. The problem has arisen when consumers have started to look at consumption of frog legs as a delicacy, which now has become a delicacy on the coastline for the tourists, called jumping chicken, wherein hundreds of frogs are slaughtered for their legs to serve them to the tourists as a delicacy called jumping chicken. Now, this is creating a serious imbalance in the frogs in the environment. Now, what is the message from Goacan? What we are saying is that we have to allow the frogs to breed.
बेबे अन्न साखळेंतलो म्हत्वाचो जीव। पावसाच्या दिसांनी वाडपी साथीचे रोगूय बेब्यांक लागून नियंत्रणात येतात। पावसान तुंबून उरिल्ल्या उदकांत पोसपी जळारां बेबे खातात। ताका लागून डेंगी, मलेरिया सारकेले साथीचे रोग नियंत्रणात येतात।
We require the frogs because frogs are very important in our ecological cycle. Today, you see they control over the larvae which has been there of the frogs, of the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes have been controlled all these years in a very systematic way by the frogs. Unfortunately, we see today with the rising cases of vector-borne disease that frogs are not to be seen, and therefore it is a very important responsibility for the consumer to promote the life of the frog. The frog is very important part of Goan life, and there are any amount of poems, there are many amount of songs also which show this connection. And therefore, as the monsoons have started now, you see the frogs are already jumping around in the fields, in the lakes, in the ponds, and therefore we appeal to the Goan public to stop anybody who is trying to slaughter the frogs.
कर्नाटक आणि महाराष्ट्राच्या शिमेवयल्या गावांतल्यान गोंयान बेब्यांची तस्करी जाता। रानखाते अदीमदी कारवाय करताय बी, पूण बेब्यांची तस्करी मात अजून पासून उणी जाल्ली ना।
Forest Department has to do its campaign. It has to book the cases against those who are killing the frogs. But I think more than that, it is the responsibility of the consumer to pass this message to the length and breadth of Goa. And if this message goes, I think, to all the village panchayats, that this year, you see, let us make a consistent effort to allow the frogs to grow and that their numbers increase in the state of Goa. This is the message from Goa.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV।